All right, Michael, a judge this afternoon refused to declare a mistrial in the rape lawsuit against Derrick Rose. Why did the judge make this decision?
Well, Ryan, it's a very steep step for a judge to declare a mistrial, although it's significant that a text message was not shared during pretrial discovery with Derrick Rose and his attorneys. A judge is usually very reluctant to order a mistrial because of the consequence of that it would end a case that would otherwise begin. And also, it's important because if the judge were to do that, Judge Fitzgerald, it would take a while for this case to play out. So the odds of getting a mistrial are always very low. And although this was significant, it didn't quite rise to the level of declaring a mistrial. It should be noted that Derrick Rose, if he's found liable, will certainly argue on appeal that a mistrial should have been granted.
Now, an added twist to the case is that one of the LAPD detectives in the case was found with a gunshot wound at home on Tuesday. That detective, Nadine Hernandez, has reportedly died. What effect will this latest development have on the case, Michael?
Well, Ryan, it's certainly a twist. And Nadine Hernandez wrote a letter back on September 22nd to attorneys for Derrick Rose's accuser, confirming that there's an ongoing criminal investigation into this case. Now, it's extremely unlikely that Derrick Rose is going to be charged with the crime. The incident happened years ago. He hasn't yet been charged. But it's significant in the sense that she's connected to the Derrick Rose case. But I want to be clear, there's no indication that Derrick Rose or anyone around him had anything to do with this. It was reported as a call for a suicide attempt. So we'll see what happens. But it is. But certainly her connection to the Derrick Rose case makes it newsworthy. And if anything changes, we'll certainly be monitoring it.
Now, at this point, what's next for Derrick Rose and the others involved in the case?
Right. So testimony will continue to play out this week, and the case could end this week. It's certainly not likely to last all that much longer, given that it's a civil case. But we will see Rose and others testify and bring up arguments that the accuser's story has problems, that they'll argue that it's untrue, that there are exaggerations, that she has a pattern of not being honest. And the key for Derrick Rose will be to make the case to the jury that even if they don't like him, they shouldn't believe that he would have partaken in a gang rape, which is essentially what she's arguing.
Colin Kaepernick is back under center. Chip Kelly announced on Tuesday that the 49ers will start Kaepernick on Sunday against the Bills. Blaine Gabbert has just one win under